Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart English, the channel where learning English is simple, practical, and confident. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sophia. Thank you so much for being with us today. We're really happy you're here.
Sophia, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling calm, positive, and ready to talk, Alex. How about you?
I'm feeling great too, because today's topic is very close to real life and very important for English learners.
That's right. Today, we're talking about how to meet new people in English and how to feel comfortable, confident, and natural while doing it.
Meeting new people is exciting, but let's be honest, it can also be scary.
Especially when English is not your first language.
Many learners think, what if I say something wrong? Or what if I don't understand?
And some people think, what if they don't like me?
These thoughts are very normal.
Yes, completely normal. And today, our goal is to help you feel relaxed and confident when you speak English with new people.
Before we begin, friends, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video, subscribe to Smart English, and share it with someone who is also learning English.
Your support really helps our channel grow, and it helps more learners like you.
Okay, let's begin. Sophia, what is the first rule for meeting new people in English?
The first rule is very simple. Start small.
Start small?
Yes, you don't need perfect English. You don't need long sentences. You only need one small word to begin.
Hello.
Exactly. Hello is powerful.
It feels simple, but it opens the door.
That's right. A smile and a hello can change everything.
Now, many learners ask, where can I meet new people?
The answer is everywhere.
Everywhere?
Yes, at a park, at a cafe, at school, at work, at a party, or even in a line at a shop.
Let's talk about the park first. Imagine I'm walking in a park and I see someone with a dog.
That's a perfect situation.
Why?
Because you already have something to talk about.
The dog.
Exactly. You can smile and say, "What a cute dog."
That's easy and friendly.
Yes, and then you can ask a simple question like, "What's the dog's name?"
People love talking about their pets.
They really do. And when people talk about something they love, they feel relaxed.
Relaxed people are easier to talk to.
Exactly. Now let's talk about another place, parties.
Ah, parties. That sounds difficult.
Many learners feel nervous at parties.
There are many people, many voices, and a lot of noise.
That's true, but parties are actually great places to practice English.
Why is that?
Because everyone is there to talk.
Okay, that makes sense.
At a party, you don't need to ask personal questions immediately.
So what should I say?
Use common ground.
Common ground.
Yes, common ground means things you both share.
Like being at the same party.
Exactly. You can talk about the food, the music, or the place.
For example, these snacks look delicious, don't they?
Perfect. That's natural and relaxed.
And then I can say, my name is Alex.
Yes, introducing yourself is very important.
And the magic phrase, nice to meet you.
Yes, simple, polite, and friendly.
Now, after introductions, many learners feel stuck.
That's when follow-up questions help.
Follow-up questions keep the conversation moving.
Exactly. You can ask, "What do you do?" or "Are you a student?"
And if they answer, I listen carefully.
Listening is just as important as speaking.
Now, let's talk about coffee shops.
Coffee shops are a little different.
People are often busy or reading.
Yes, so you need to be polite and gentle.
What can I say?
You can start with, "Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?"
That's very polite.
If they say yes, you smile and say, "Okay."
And if they say no?
You can sit down and after a few minutes say something small.
Like, is that a good book?
Perfect. Or, "I like this song. Do you know who is singing?"
That feels natural.
Yes, low pressure is the key.
Low pressure means relaxed.
Exactly. Now let's talk about body language.
Body language is very important.
Yes, stand tall, look at the person, and smile.
The smile again.
Always the smile.
If I look at the floor, people may think I'm not interested.
That's right. Eye contact and a smile show confidence.
Now, Sophia, many learners worry about one big thing.
What is it?
What if I don't understand them?
That's a very common fear.
Especially when people speak fast.
Yes, but this is where your power sentences help.
Like, can you speak more slowly, please?
Exactly. Or, I'm learning English. Can you repeat that?
Is it okay to say that to a new person?
Of course. Most people respect language learners.
They don't think we're silly.
No, they think you are brave.
That's a nice way to think about it.
Yes, you should be proud of your English.
English is not just a language,
It's a tool.
a tool to meet the world.
Beautifully said.
Now, what about talking to groups?
Groups can be tricky.
Very tricky.
My advice is simple. Don't talk to everyone at once.
So what should I do?
Find one person in the group and say hello.
Just one person.
Yes, that person may introduce you to the others.
That feels much easier.
Small steps again.
Now, let's talk about silence.
But silence is okay.
It doesn't mean failure.
Exactly. If there is silence, you can give a compliment.
Like, I like your jacket.
Yes, compliments create positive energy.
Now, how do we become real friends?
Good question. Talking is one thing, but friendship is another.
If you enjoy the conversation, you can say, I really enjoyed talking to you.
That's a kind sentence.
Then you can ask, can we stay in touch?
Stay in touch means talk again later.
Yes, maybe exchange numbers or social media.
And then maybe meet for coffee.
Exactly. One conversation leads to another.
And that leads to friendship.
That's how real connections grow.
Let's quickly review what we talked about today.
We talked about starting small with a smile and hello,
We talked about meeting people in everyday places,
using common ground and simple questions,
listening carefully and asking follow-up questions,
being honest when you don't understand.
and being proud of your English.
Now we have a question for you. Where is your favorite place to meet new people?
Is it a park, a cafe, a gym, or your workplace?
Write your answer in the comments and practice your English.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time on Smart English. Bye-bye.
See you next time on Smart English. Bye-bye.